Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a very healthy and delicious snack recipe loaded with lots of protein, fiber and other essential nutrients which would provide you with a much needed energy and immunity to stay healthy. These macronutrients also help to manage your body weight. Now come, let's quickly get started. First let's start dry roasting the ingredients. Take a wok and add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds followed by 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds to this followed by 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Watermelon seeds 2 tablespoons. Almond flakes 3 tablespoons. You can take as much as almond flakes you want. Walnut flakes I've taken 2 tablespoons. This is how I made those almond flakes and walnut flakes. This slicer I bought through online portal. Very easy to use and not much efforts required. I have been using this for quite a long time. I have given the buying link in the description box. You can click the link and you can buy the product if you want to. Very useful product. I've been using this for making sweets and very nice it is. Now I'm going to add 3/4 tablespoons of sesame seeds and I'm going to mix well. Now these are lotus seeds or makhana. I've taken 50 grams of it. Let's dry roast this later. So keep them aside. Now let's start preparing the peri-peri seasoning. Take a mortar and add 2 teaspoons of dried oregano followed by 1 teaspoon of dried parsley and 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes followed by 1 teaspoon of sugar. And grind them coarsely with a pestle like this. Don't put them in a mixer grinder and don't powder them too much. The consistency should be like this. It should be coarse. So bits and pieces of it should be seen. So this is how it is done. So transfer the coarsely ground mixture into a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder to this followed by 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika powder. If you don't have smoked paprika powder, you can replace it with a normal, regular red chilli powder. To this, add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And add half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and dry mango peel powder 1 teaspoon. And mix well. Now peri-peri seasoning is ready. Keep it aside. You can store this seasoning in an airtight glass jar and you can use them whenever you want to. This peri-peri seasoning could be sprinkled upon various snacks, like french fries, popcorn, and can be used as a dry rub, over chicken and other meat preparation, for marination. So they are used in soups, rice, pasta, sauces and dips to enhance the flavor and taste. Now let's start dry roasting the seeds and nuts. Now dry roast them over a slow to medium flame for about 2 minutes and transfer them to a plate, and in the same wok dry roast the lotus seeds over a very slow flame, otherwise they would turn black. So roast them over a slow flame till they turn nice crunchy. Just take it and take one and press with your fingers and check, and they would break this way. So now mix the other roasted seeds and nuts along with this and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of peri-peri seasoning to 1 tablespoon of hot oil and mix it to the roasted seeds and nuts to bring out the flavor. I have used sunflower oil. This will ensure that the spice mix get well coated with the makhanas and the other seeds, and that's why we are frying in hot oil. Mix well and let the mixture cool completely and attain room temperature. Once cooled, you can transfer them into an airtight glass container and you can store them. You can consume this whenever you crave for crunchy snacks while watching your favorite TV shows or after a strenuous workout. Friends, this is a very wholesome, delectable and guilt-free snack for Weight Watchers. So please do try this recipe at home and write your valuable feedback in the comment section. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share it with your family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.